From virtual reality to augmented experiences, are you ready? Welcome to the XR Club, a video series brought to you by Miracles Innovation Labs.
Hello, and welcome to the XR Club from Miracle Software Systems. My name is Jared McKenzie, and today we'll be talking about AR business cards. Give your business cards 3D visual appeal. We'll start by going over Unity's AR Foundation and Vuforia, then into tracking images and designing AR business cards, followed up by a live demo. So what is AR Foundation and Vuforia? Vuforia is a software development kit that allows developers to create image tracking. It holds an image database in the cloud or locally, as well as creating in-app virtual buttons. AR Foundation is a Unity app that allows for developers to create and implement cross-platform AR interactions, gestures, create annotation, and place 3D objects in the real world. Vuforia is a company that creates AR software development kits for industrial applications. Some of their offerings include Vuforia Instruct to create AR instructions, Vuforia Studio, which will help leverage IoT and 3D data in an AR platform, Vuforia Engine, which is an advanced cross-platform computer vision, and Vuforia Chalk, which is an AR remote assistant. So image tracking. What makes an image good to track? So when looking at the images to the left, or right rather, we want to track images that have a high contrast ratio. They have a wide, flat histogram. That's the graph in the bottom right of the images. They do not have repetitive patterns, and they are not blurry and have increased sharpness. Now these images aren't typically something you'd use. They're just an example. And you'll notice the rocks have the 5-star rating. This is because they do, in fact, meet all the criteria and would be easily tracked by the Vuforia engine. So it's just something to note when creating image tracking. So how do we make the business cards interesting? We want to give them more information than they can normally hold. Give them more visual appeal by adding 3D assets and interaction. So you can see here, the plain business card goes from just having a name, the company, an address, links to various websites, our name displayed broadly across the top, colors pop more vibrantly, even a video playing. And if that wasn't enough, we've also implemented IBM Watson directly into the business card. So you can ask your business card question. All right, next up is a live demo. So I'm going to point the camera at the card, start tracking right away. Here you can see a layout of different buttons, 3D objects, a video, and at the bottom bottom right, a IBM Watson, and saying, "Where is Miracle located?" It pops up and it responds immediately and even corrects what it heard and guessed the right thing. So each of these buttons on the right side are just there to show different operations. They could create 3D objects, they could show panels of information, they could be links to website, anything that you could imagine a button to do. As you can see, there's lots of things that can happen, and it maintains tracking and frame rate the entire time. The video at the bottom has been playing this whole time, and as you see, I just paused it. And on the left, we have some buttons we're going to press, and it brings us right to Miracle's website. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.
Thanks for joining the XR Club, a video series brought to you by Miracles Innovation Labs.